How to enable camera quick launch with the power button. This tutorial shows you how to open your camera instantly by double pressing the power button, even from the lock screen. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Special Features from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Gestures to open its settings. At this point, tap on Double Press Power button. In the next step, a list of shortcut options will appear on your screen. Following this, tap on Camera to set it as the assigned shortcut. Once done, close Settings once Camera is selected. From here, lock your phone and double press the power button to test that the camera opens instantly. Keep in mind, this shortcut works even from the lock screen, so anyone with your phone can quickly open the camera without unlocking it. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to assign a different shortcut instead of camera. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable Camera Quick Launch with the power button, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.